Okay, here we have from AcuRite model 13027. This is an all-electric digital LED alarm clock. Now this has Intelli-Time Technology. This sets itself automatically, or you can set it manually. It adjusts for daylight savings time. It has 7 time zones, remembers time and alarm even after power interruption, adjustable brightness control, snooze, PM and alarm indicator light. I like the large snooze button on the top. Okay, here's the dimmer. It does have a high and low dimmer. Let's try it out. There we go. It's got large buttons, but what I really like is the speakers on each side, and when you hear the alarm in one moment, you're going to see why. These speakers come in handy. Now on the bottom, there are your time zone settings. Very convenient. Quality by AcuRite.